How to enable voice access on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable your voice access on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you're new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, simply head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, this was just a sneak peek, but after you're on your settings, you will need to scroll down till you find accessibility. So search for accessibility and open it up. Now under accessibility, you will need to scroll down again, and under physical and motor, you will find voice control. Tap on it. After you're on voice control, you will need to toggle the button off, or you will see an option that says enable voice control. Tap on that and just tap on done, next, and you will get here. After you're there, you will see different options here. You can check each and every one out, but here is a commands option. From here, you can create your own new commands, or you can see the basic commands. Now you can enable these if you want to or not, it's completely up to you, but this is basically how you enable voice access on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. Stay tuned.